spectacular. This is my version with capers and paprika, but you can use other ingredients like curry, like senape. So let us know down in the comment what kind of other ingredient would you like to add to your vegan mayo. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. For any advice, always down in the comments. Bye bye.